Tweezing. Pulling out hair with tweezers. She was tweezing her brows before going out. I kept tweezing the same hair again and again. Dangling. Hanging freely and moving slightly. She sat by the river, dangling her feet and enjoying the cool breeze. A loose wire was dangling from the ceiling fan. Honing. Improving a skill or sharpening something over time. She honed the knife every morning until it became sharp. She honed her skills through constant practice. Flossing. Cleaning between teeth using floss. I started flossing after the dentist warned me. He was flossing while scrolling his phone. Tinkering. Trying to fix or improve something casually. She was tinkering with her bike all afternoon. I enjoy tinkering with my phone settings. Blanching. Briefly boiling food, then cooling it. I'm blanching the spinach before cooking it properly. She blanched the vegetables to keep the color fresh. Groping. Searching by touch, often in the dark. I was groping for my phone in the dark. He groped around to find the switch. Igniting. Starting a fire or triggering something suddenly. She ignited the candle during the power cut. Her words ignited a strong reaction online. Gnawing. Repeatedly chewing, or a feeling that keeps bothering you. The dog was gnawing on an old bone. I had a gnawing fear that I locked the door but wasn't sure. Shelling. Removing the hard outer layer of nuts or seeds. She sat outside shelling almonds in the evening. We were shelling peas and talking about old days. Squishing. Pressing something soft until it loses shape. I squished the sandwich by sitting on my bag. The baby squished the banana in his hand. Dabbing. Touching lightly, not rubbing. He dabbed sweat off his forehead. She dabbed cream on her face gently. Fumbling. Handling something clumsily. I was fumbling with my keys in the dark. He fumbled the phone and almost dropped it. Scrutinizing. Looking at something very carefully. She was scrutinizing the bill before paying. The teacher scrutinized his homework closely. Clutching. Holding something tightly. She was clutching her bag in the crowded bus. He clutched the railing while going downstairs. Wincing. Showing pain or discomfort on your face. He winced when the doctor touched his arm. I winced after hitting my toe on the table. Lurking. Staying hidden while watching. A cat was lurking behind the wall. She was lurking in the comments without replying. Peering. Looking closely, usually with difficulty. She was peering through the foggy window. He peered at the screen without his glasses. Scurrying. Moving quickly with small steps. Kids were scurrying around the playground. Ants were scurrying near the food. Staggering. Walking unsteadily, almost falling. He came out staggering after a long workout. She was staggering because of exhaustion. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.